someone was saying I love you to me. Oh, one in a million.
Rinal Banda ulit at nanonood kayo ng Buhay sa cruise ship ngayon. Kasama natin ngayon si Bien Carlo ng Radio Atraka.
Ang Radio Atraka ay internet radio station ng mga Marino Pilipino. And we are serving them live stream on our website www.radioatraka.com, and also do Facebook Live in our Facebook www.facebook.com/radioatraka. Ang layunin po namin is to deliver news and updates, maritime music, and maritime related current affairs sa ating mga, and then we also do our feature interest sa ating mga kabara on board na nagpapadala lang sila ng mga videos nila at i-feature namin sa aming radio station. And basically, itong radio station na to, it is not the traditional radio station because we are leading to our leading edge of technology in broadcasting mga maritime related news. Yan. So that's Radio Atraka.
So Bien, meron ba kayong office nyo dito?
Yes, our radio station is in Las Marinas, Amusuk, Simas Village, Las Marinas, Cavite, and we also have our satellite office dito sa Marino, Atin.
At saka nga pala, Bien, ikaw rin ay isang Marino, no?
Yes.
So nakasakay ka na ba?
Nakasakay na rin ako ng barko cadet ship, and I'm also having my license right now. And I'm pursuing this project first.
Ito muna ang proyekto.
Kasi it's another thing of serving our maritime industry.
So napakaganda niya, Bien, no? Para servisyo natin sa ating mga kapwa Marino. Maraming salamat, Bien.
Sir niya.
Sige. Ayan po, guys, Radio Atraka. Ayan. Subaybayan niyo po yan. Sino pa yung mga host niyo dyan?
Yes, we have our DJ Tano, and I'm playing that role. DJ Tano, pakinggan niyo po ako every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Radio Atraka. And then we also have our special news and special segments. So abangan po natin yan, like po natin yung page ng Radio Atraka, and visit our official website www.radioatraka.com. Thank you.